Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AI translation tool online, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in the name of the AI translation tool you want to use. Press enter to load the website. Once the site is loaded, look for the text input area. Click on the text input box to activate it. Type or paste the text you want to translate. Make sure to select the original language of your text if the tool allows it. Next, look for the option to choose the target language you want to translate to. Select your desired target language from the drop-down menu. Once the languages are set, find the Translate button and click it. Wait a moment for the tool to process your request. After the translation is complete, the translated text will appear in the output area. Review the translated text for accuracy. If needed, you can copy the translation to your clipboard. Some tools may also allow you to listen to the translation. Explore any additional features the tool may offer, such as formality settings or text suggestions. For further translations, you can simply clear the text box and repeat the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.